Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're picking some more BrickLink orders. Now, as a reminder, we redid the garage, so what that means is the lighting is still not quite set up, unfortunately. I fixed it a little bit. I got one light kind of hanging up over there, and another light up here on a stand kind of hanging up as well. But temporarily, that's what I have for lighting, so I apologize for that, but it should be much better than the last video. I'm also going to try something different. I'm going to put a GoPro on my head. So if this is terrible, I want to apologize in advance. We're going to try it. So we have 3 orders to pack today. 2 that are pretty small, 1 that's about medium, and then I have 1 that's pretty much already packed at 7 minifigs, and we'll just say thank you to that person. But yeah, let's get to packing some BrickLink orders. Alrighty, so I have my GoPro mount on, and it's really weird. It's a little uncomfortable. This is the first order, though. This is here from Nicole. These are the 7 minifigs from the Lego Friends set that we parted out quite a while ago. I have a video on that. I'll put a card in the top right if you want to watch us part that out. But real quick, thank you to Nicole. Nicole says thanks for the channel, and you also have a store. So congratulations on just opening your BrickLink store. Super awesome, and thank you so much for your order. Alrighty, and we're working on our second order now, which is from Ethan. I'll try to show it on the screen here. I don't know how much you can see, but so far we have these the Easter Chick BrickHeads instructions, as well as the Lego minifig Joker. So we have 1 of each of those, sorry. And then we have 5 of these black minifigure utensils, the saucepans. That's in drawer 650. So I'm really curious as to how this GoPro is going to look. It might not look great. It also does hinder my ability to see a tiny bit, so I might adjust it. And that's all of them in there. So I'll take this divider out. That can stay there, I suppose. But yeah, we'll see how this hinders my ability to see, and if I'm able to pick orders efficiently or not. I guess, yeah, we'll figure that out by the end of this. Hopefully this doesn't look too terrible to you guys. Drawer 934, we have 30 of these little trans clear diamonds. 934 to the right here. Hopefully, though, my thought would be this POV would look nicer. Of course, as long as I'm able to see what I'm doing. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And then the key is that you guys can see, too. If you can't see, then there's no point in me doing this, as I know I'm not showing that. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 of those, and then 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10 of those. That would be 30. So put this drawer back. This is eco-friendly shipping, just like pretty much most of the orders we have. 934 goes right there. I feel like I put that in the wrong spot earlier. Okay, 934. 1 of these female minifigs. I don't know about you guys, but sometimes our checkboxes don't work. Like, you have to scroll a little bit, and then the checkboxes work. It's kind of confusing. I guess I can make this a little bit bigger, and then maybe you guys can see it as well. We'll see if that's the case or not. Okay, so 1 of these minifigs, females, in drawer 111. Not 111. 1,100. Well, now I'm confused. 1,000. What did I just say? 1,100, I believe. 1,100. That's it. Okay, right here. So yeah, one of these minifigs. That's the back. There's the front of it in drawer 1,100. I could probably put another piece in there, but we'll leave the minifig alone for now. Got 1 of those, and then 10 of these dishes, or these pans, in drawer 1429. 10 of those, 1429. So yeah, hopefully, please let me know in the comments below if this is way too, like, funky. I think it would be quicker for me to pick orders, because I can do everything with 2 hands. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, I think 10, and there were supposed to be 9 left. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Okay, wonderful. So yeah, was that the right spot? It was, okay. Yeah, I think it'll be quicker for me to pack orders this way. But I do see the camera bouncing a little bit. I'm not sure if it's wide enough where you won't see the bounce. 1469, we need 7 of those dark bluish gray containers. 1469 should be down here. 2, 4, 6, 7 of those, so that's all of those. Yeah, maybe, no, I'll probably just shoot the whole video this way. 1720, 1 umbrella, so we'll go get that, and then we're done with this order. We could bag this order up for Ethan. What did I just say, 1720? I think that's what I said. 1 of these umbrellas here. That's a pretty cool piece there. Alrighty, so that's all of it for Ethan. I'll go ahead and bag these up now really quickly. And yeah, these can all fit in 1 bag, hopefully. Then we have 2 more orders after this, like I said. So thank you, Ethan, for your order. You know, not too many pieces here. What is it? 56 pieces in 8 different lots. Lots of these little gem rock jewel things, whatever they're called. What are these called, actually? Can't remember. Every time I forget. So they're jewels. I always look for diamonds and stuff when I'm on BrickLink. They're called jewels, not diamonds. but they're considered rocks as well. Super funky. Put the umbrella in there. Put everything in here except that one minifig and the instructions. And then your order is pretty much ready to ship now. And there we go. Boom. So I'll go ahead and bag this up or put it in a package real quick, and then we'll get on to our next BrickLink order. Alrighty, here's our next order. This one is from Charles. Another small order, just 9 lots with 16 pieces. Whoops. So essentially we have these 4 minifigs so far, which I have right down here. I also adjusted the GoPro on my face so I can actually see now, and hopefully it looks exactly at what I'm looking at. Anyway, we have this Parademon, I believe, and then the robot dog, Spooky Boy, and the Mime minifig. We got those down here. All right, so now we're going to get one of these 2x4 bricks in drawer 331, which happens to be right here, 331. We're going to get one of these nice bricks here. As always, well, I don't know if I said this. This is for Charles. So Charles said, "Hey, Evan, love your videos. Can you pack my order on camera?" Absolutely, I love to. If you guys have an order you want packed, 672, drawer 5. If you guys have an order you want packed on camera, go ahead and, as you're checking out through BrickLink, please, request it on in that message section. It's a little harder if you message me after the fact about your order, because then I could forget about your order, or I don't see the message directly on the order. So if you want it packed, please feel free to pack or to ask while you're placing your order. I'm trying to do this once and it's not working. All right, 1580. We need one of these black minifigure wrenches in drawer 1580, which is over here. I think it's up here somewhere. It is 1580. So one wrench inside of there. I kind of am liking the GoPro on my head right now. It's not terrible. I have 2 hands I can do stuff with, and I think it's better. We'll see what it looks like in post-production. I'm so sorry if it's really bad. All right, drawer 1681, one of those Harry Potter minifigs. That should be the last one of those. 1681, which is down here. Yep, last one. So our first empty drawer of the day. Now the next order we have is from Chris. And Chris has a YouTube channel as well. We'll talk about Chris in just a moment, though. And he helped and emptied out quite a few lots. All right, 2620, we have 4 of those light bluish gray 1x1 round bricks. 2620, 4 of those, and that'll conclude this order. So 2620, where's 2620? Up here, we need 4 of these. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Perfect. Alrighty, so this is the order for Charles. Again, Charles, thank you so much for your order. We appreciate being able to pack it on camera, but here's Charles' order, and that is pretty much it. So I'm going to bag this up really quickly, and then we'll get to the last order of the day, which is Chris's order. Alrighty, and here we are with Chris's order. Chris is really helpful. Like I said, he has a YouTube channel and a BrickLink store called The Great Brick Lab, and this is his first item in the order. It is this Prince of Persia Desert Attack set, 57 pieces, set 7569. Pretty cool set here. This one was sold for $20, and then we have one of these little pieces here, the minifigure Lime book pieces, and also Robo Dog. So Chris specifically said thank you guys for what you do, and then also said, can you pack it on camera? And then he also said, I'm emptying out hopefully a lot of your lots. So this one he's not. Drawer 282, we have 4 of those Emmets. We do have a ton of Emmets. 482 up here. Got a ton of Emmets in here. Way too many Emmets, but we'll take 4 of them out. And that is for Chris now. And then I think from here is where he starts to empty out a lot of lots, which is super appreciated, Chris. Thank you. It gives us some more drawers and some more space to put things in our store, and gets rid of some other stuff. So, all right, drawer 381, one of those, which is down here. I know that because I keep putting this one back in here. Oh, and it's a half-empty drawer already, so now we have a totally empty drawer. Wonderful. Alrighty, so there's that. We've got an extra divider. I'll stick behind the computer there. And then 470, there's just one of those in there. So drawer 470, which is actually up here. That could be the part that I think would be jarring on the GoPro if I, go up and down too fast. All right, so what we'll do for now is, like I always do, this is now a drawer that easily has a second half, and I'll take this out so it's easy to stack, but I'll sit it aside. It'll sit over there for now, and then we can easily, consolidate that with another thing later. So we'll get that one piece there. 4 of these guys in drawer 535. It should be just over here, 535. Hopefully we have 4 of these minifigs. We do. Cool. Thank you, Chris, again for your order, and of course for emptying out a lot of our drawers. So this, fortunately, isn't a hard order to pack either, because it's what I say, I think it was 39 lots or something, but it's a ton of single pieces. So 567, one of those pieces, so not a lot of counting to do. 5, 6, 7, once again, this will empty out this lot here. Take this divider out, we'll sit it aside and stack it there for now, and it'll get consolidated later, mixed together in the same drawer. Now, Chris requested an invoice, but I'm going to pack it as eco-friendly. He didn't specify, I don't believe, what he wanted, but if you don't specify, I'm going to go eco-friendly. All right, 823, one of those, 823, where's 823? Is up here. One of these. This is a very sad drawer. You can see there's 3 pieces in there. So we'll put that in a different drawer as always. So we'll put the divider aside. This also gives us a lot of dividers. Sorry, if you can see that, these things. Because we now can fit all those drawers together, and it's very nice. So thank you to anyone who purchases a lot of our single lots. It's actually frustrating when someone keeps one single piece in your store and they ordered like 50 and you had 51 and they didn't want that extra one. At times it's kind of frustrating, but no problem. Thank you to everyone who does place an order. All right, 914, we need one of these frogs. 914 is right here. One frog. Once again, another half drawer. We'll take out the divider, set it aside, and this gives me some more work to do right after this, but I will consolidate those together right after. Actually, Kyle usually does the consolidation. He really enjoys doing that. I think it's the barcode scanning. But, you know, we save space in our store doing that. All right, drawer 1274. We're going to get one of those 4x10 plates. What did I say? 1274, I think, which would be down here. Nope. Oh, that's 1174. 1274 should be up here, I believe. Nope, just kidding. 1274 is way down here. Over here, 1274, another empty drawer. Thank you, Chris. Though, at the moment, if you could see up there, we have a ton of empty drawers all along the top, all empty. But we have a lot of parting out to do. All right, there's your plate. So we will be doing a lot of parting out in the future because expect that once the garage is totally done. All right, 1373, one of those. Who left one of those? 1373, a one-by-one little plate there. 1373. Wow, that's really sad in there. Just a lone little dude sitting in there. Alrighty, again, thank you, Chris. Another half lot empty, or another half drawer empty. Alrighty, so 1425, one of those trans black slopes. What did I just say? 1425. 1425. Now, oh, instructions in here? That's weird. Interesting. Okay. I might move that later. We'll see. I had something to say. Don't remember what it was. Oh, right. Next time I film another one of these videos. Okay, 1463, one more of those pieces. Next time I film these videos, my plan would be to hopefully have the lighting all done in the garage. The lighting is something we've been working on for, well, actually, totally honest, we haven't been working on, which is the problem. We've been discussing it for a little while, but we need to figure out exactly what we're going to do for lighting. Because the problem is we film a lot, so we want the lights to illuminate the entire garage in a nice way as opposed to just a practical way. Usually when you're shooting, you need more light than if you're just walking around. 1465, want one of those 2x2 round bricks. 1465, I think that's what it said. Nope, 1465. It is 1465. Okay, so this might be an example of where we changed what this is. What is this called? The remark. That's what it's called. I was trying to think of what that's called. We changed the remark after the fact. So the 1465 is where this was when Chris placed the order. In between there, we may have realized we only have one of these left, so it might have been consolidated with another lot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into this piece later. Actually, can I click this and go into it now? Oh, except I don't have this piece now because it's sold. So I'll have to go through and get this piece in a minute. I'll just do that at the end of this order. Hopefully I don't forget. I won't forget. That piece will be there, Chris, I promise. But yeah, we'll go to the next one. 1508, we need one of those blue slopes. This is what happens when you wait a while, when you pack your orders. So unfortunately, when I pack on camera, sometimes the orders can take up to a week before they actually get packed. So then the remarks could change, and then we run into, you know, I guess kind of problems when we do stuff like this. All right, 1508, we need one of those blue slopes. 1508 is over here. And I would say do a time lapse of this. That's not up there. But that would probably look really bad on the GoPro. So I won't do a time lapse of this. I will just leave it. You know, I'll finish it up like this. I am running out of things to talk about, though. I think the lights just flickered there. 4 of these light orange minifig heads in 1510. 4 of the light orange. Hold on. 4 of those. So 1510, 1920. 4 of each of those minifigs heads. 1510, 1920, I think is what it was. That's down here. 1510, 4 of these, and 1920, which is up here in the corner. Shoot, was it not 1920? Let's see. 1921, 4 of those. Really bad. I even say my numbers out loud so I don't like misplace what drawer I'm going to, and I still never go to the right drawer. It's very unfortunate. All right, so 8 of those minifigs heads in different colors. Wonder what you're doing with that. All right, and now we're at the trays. So once we get a single piece, like this, for example, red brick, sometimes these go into the trays. So in this case, T1, one of these 2x3 bricks. This is T2. These are out of order for some reason. Here is tray 1, though. We have one of these bricks, so we'll put that on there. Also in tray 1 is this white minifig weapon spear. So we have one of those as well. That's also in the tray. All right, now we're moving on to T2. I guess I can set these aside for now. T2, we have one of these pink little magic wands. Little pink magic wand there. That's in Chris's order. Also in T2 is one of these little plant flowers. Boom, plant flower. Cool. And then we're on to T3. So T3, we have one of these trophies. Is this T3? It is T3. One of these little trophies. One of the dog trophies specifically. And then in T4, we have one of these little dark orange minifigures pots. That's this right here. One of these. Again, I actually think the GoPro is casting a shadow, unfortunately. One of those. Also one of these trophies. Try wizard pattern, also in T4. Right here, that's a large one. Right there, another trophy. And then one of these little, I guess they're maracas, or a potion flask. Pearl gold, one of those. That is also in T4, right here. So this is Chris's order. What I'm going to do is bag this up really quickly, and then it'll all get boxed up just as the other 4 orders for today, or 3 orders, or however many I packed on camera. Can't quite remember. And then I'll film a little outro real quick. So thank you, Chris, for your order. Here it all is. Alrighty, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. I know a lot of you guys do enjoy these videos. If you want your order packed on camera, leave a message while you're checking out on BrickLink, and I am more than willing to pack your order on camera. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, click the subscribe button. If you have any questions or comments, as always, please leave them down below. Thank you all. Hope you enjoyed. We'll see you all in the next video.